welcome back. So I will apologise for the lack of fire alarm videos, specifically on the shed fire alarm. I just haven't really got around to upgrading it or anything, but I did recently get a smoke machine. So I wanted to see how long it would take for the smoke machine to set off that smoke detector. So I've got it relatively pointed at it, and I've got a stopwatch here that will start. So let's just get into it. So I'll click start and then I'll hold the button. That should be plenty. I really have no idea how long this will take. I'll close this window. That won't close. Alright, cool. Let's give it some more. Let's do something cool. This stuff doesn't smell brilliant. Yeah, I'd be quite worried if this doesn't set it off. I know it can set it off because it has before, but I don't know how long it takes. Oh, okay. So there's the first one. Now we're going to have to wait like 30 seconds for the detector to reset. Oh no, never mind.
Evacuate the building using the nearest fire exit. Evacuate the building using the nearest fire exit.
Alright, I did think that would take longer to set off, to be honest. But hey, I guess that's good. So I wasn't watching, but I would suppose looking at the video timer that took about 1:40. Go ahead. Oh, actually, we can't really reset it, can we? How do we do this? Let's open this door. There we go. Open the shed door. Oh, here it goes. Jeez. Wow, that's getting it out fast. I don't know if you can see it, but it's definitely smoky out here. You can kind of see smoke rushing past. Okay, let's go ahead and close this door. I think that'll be enough. Okay, so that worked. Let's go ahead and reset it now. Shouldn't go off. They seem to be okay. Now we'll go ahead and turn this smoke machine off. And yeah, so we'll just have some fun now and play around with the system. I haven't actually covered this, but I did change out this call point here with this one. So now all of the devices are, proper NZ devices. I think we'll just test. We'll just do a test of every device on the system. So, first time testing every device, that is. Oh god. First time testing every device, that is. I think we'll just leave that off. And then we'll go test the core point over here. Oh, did I not? I didn't finish resetting. Come on, panel. I haven't got all day. Oh my god. Why is this? No, that's... Oh! Idiot. That would help. There we go. Cool. Alright. Alright, so now let's we'll test this core point by the door. Here it comes with an arm. That's cool. Alright, so now we're going to test this smoke detector. I don't have a magnet. Let's use this speaker. That'll do. Yes! Alright, we'll reset that, and then we've just got the last detector to test. And I think we'll use the test fluid here, because I cannot be bothered reaching over this car. That is way too much. By the way, these labels on the side are wrong. I really need to change them. Alright, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you later.